Okay, y'all, this is nuts out here. It is raining like crazy out here. Look at this. I'm gonna run out back here. If I can show you how the back road looks. This is how the alleyway looks. Okay, I'm gonna run back over. Crap. It's my friend's house. Holy crap, though, it is raining out here. Stop sign. Look at that. It's hitting the back of my foot. I'm only wearing Crocs, though. Let's get a closer view of this here. Stepping in a puddle. Yep. And we had a coincidence. The inside lights clicked on right as the grocery delivery finished. This needs to not. That's gonna start a fire. Or I'm gonna unplug them. Oh, whoa. Let's just re-mount this. Come on now. There you go. Anyways. Yep, that's this is one heck of a storm. We're gonna run down here again one more time. Show them mass chaos out here. I don't know why, but it always puddles up around here. The store is uneven. Right there, you can see more puddling. I'm having socks on. This sidewalk is uneven. And back here is some more puddling with some mud as well. And right about there, more puddling. Going along that side. Okay, let's run back. Go, go. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. That was insane. I just ran out there.